balms and lotions the kids made, some succulents that we sprouted. Dun dun dun. Watch your step. Here is information about biosecurity and a foot bath to keep virulent Newcastle disease out. Alright, we're going down the walkway. And backyard's looking a little nice. Here's the first gray water sign talking about gray water coming from the laundry. Walking on one of the swales. Here's a sign about cross-section of the swale and berm. Some of the annuals, some of the perennials. Sign for the branch drain gray water system. A guild. One of the guild signs and plants that are in there. And chicken coop. Hello, chickies. Little do they know they have new buddies up front. We have open gray water. This is for the branch drain, no valve. And then that is for the laundry to landscape with a valve. Neither one of those are filled with mulch right now. The blue line running through the garden is the gray water, and each of these are mulch basins. There's an open swale and a gray water basin out there. There we go. Nice swale, open gray water basin. Alright, so it looks very different from when we installed the food forest. 4 years. We have a mulberry tree, apricot, plum, pear. The avocado died. I didn't make it. I have another pear. The cherry died from too much water, which was really funny. This area here is going to be a sunflower maze since we pulled out the pool and have this great giant space right now. We have a play structure to one side, and then this will be a sunflower maze this year. And I think that's about it. Let me see if I can get the same orientation as the install picture. Okay, the time lapse was taken from here. This looks very different now. This is 2019 versus 2015.